What's up, guys? It's Dope Strings here. I'm here to tell you about the giveaway going on right now. The giveaway right now is called the Trucker Starter Pack. I'm doing this giveaway to give a thanks to all the everybody that subscribed to my channel that got me to 1,000 subscribers. I said I would do it, and now I'm doing it. This Trucker Starter Pack comes with a bunch of items that can help a driver, a new driver, a freaking owner operator, a freaking lease operator, anybody that's looking to become, that's looking to be a truck driver or already a truck driver, looking to get to the next step or whatnot. These are the items that I have right now for you guys. These are items that I use on a day-to-day basis to save me time and money over the road. I don't like sitting at shops. It got old after a few years. I got tired of sitting at shops, waiting on small repairs, changing airlines out. I have to wait freaking 6 hours just for someone to get to me just to change out my airlines. I got tired of crap like that. So I decided to invest in myself, which a lot of these tools I already had because I work on cars all the time. So I had a lot of these tools already with me. But some things I didn't have. But the Trucker Starter Pack is going to consist of this: an impact, sockets, the airline kit so you can air up your tires in the morning in case your tires get low. Definitely during the winter. During the winter, you know your tires get low in the morning. Get low because of the winter weather. But in the summer, you know, it's going to heat up and you'll be good in the summer. Basically, what I'm saying. But you're gonna have that, man. You're gonna have a bolt cutter. You're gonna have wire cutter. Hey, man, if you got seals, you know this stuff come in handy, man. But yeah, you're gonna have a multimeter. You're gonna have a blower to blow your trailer out or not. Man, hey, I use these stuff on a day-to-day basis. I'm telling you guys, these stuff saves you time and money. When you see a blue beacon line and the freaking line is out the freaking truck stop, or you go to another truck stop and the washout bay is like out the freaking truck stop, man. I done seen a lot of crazy places where it's like that. So this blower, I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not a cheap blower. None of this stuff is cheap. This stuff is coming. I'm getting all this stuff from Lowe's, man. We're not doing no cheap stuff, man. We're not doing no cheap stuff because cheap stuff don't last. I need this stuff to last, man. I've been at Prime 6 years, and my tools have lasted me. I'm still using them till today. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna get you guys right, man. Hey, you can go enter the giveaway right now, man. The link is in the bio. The link is in the pinned post. So I want you to go check it out, man. Go enter right now. The giveaway is only $1, bro. It's $1 to enter. You have the opportunity to win a couple $100 worth of items just for $1. Come on, man. Come on. I mean, who would not do that? Like, it doesn't make sense for you not to enter, man. It's $1, and you got the opportunity to win a couple $100 worth of items. And yeah, that's basically what the giveaway is all about, man. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. I'm going to be reminding you on all my videos that the giveaway doesn't end till the 27th of August. That's when the giveaway ends. And I'm shipping all the items out before I take my vacation. I take my vacation like the end of August, so it ends on the 27th, but you should get another video after it ends. I'm going to be calling the winner. I'm going to be recording the whole giveaway from me, from the system, selecting whoever wins this whoever wins the prize. But yeah, guys, yeah, you don't want to enter this. And I'm trying to figure out something where if you enter this giveaway, my next giveaway that I have, it'll put you in there with maybe a higher chance of winning that one. And I don't know. I'm trying to figure out the logistics of that. Maybe it gives you opportunity to win something else. I don't know yet, but I'm kind of get caught the logistics of that. This channel will be dedicated to giveaways, helping other drivers out, man. It's gonna be a car channel. My giveaways are actually gonna be like physical building these trucks. That's really what I want to do. I want to give other drivers businesses. I want to give drivers. I'm gonna give people that are not even drivers businesses, so they get their CDL and everything. I want to fund all that with my giveaways. So I want to give somebody the opportunity, just like I would give them the opportunity to become a truck driver and make a better income than I was making and make more money. But guys, that's it I have to tell you for this giveaway. Go in there right now. Like I said, you can go to the pinned post in the comment section below, or you can go to the description below and enter. Also, you can go to community tabs. I should have some links in there. Also, you can go to my Instagram channel, which is the same as my YouTube, Dope Strings. You should see a blue challenger. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna let you guys get back to the video. This Dope Strings. Alright, guys, hopefully you guys made it to this video, man. This is part 2, man. This is part 2 on how to make your first million as a truck driver, as a trucker, man. Alright, this episode right now, what we gonna talk about, we're gonna talk about getting your financial situation at the house together, man. Getting it right, man. We gotta get you right. We gotta make sure you're in the best possible position to actually win and get to the financial position you're trying to get to, man. You're trying to make your first million, bro. And when I say your first million, I'm not talking about, like I said in my last video, I'm not talking about just liquid assets. I'm talking about we trying to make sure you good retirement wise, so you can have you can have a mix of things. Retirement wise, you can have a house that's paid for. We trying to get you right, man. Basically what I'm saying. We trying to get you right. So before, you said the last video, we got you the CDL, man. We got you your CDL, we got you a job, man, making some good money, making more money than where you were currently making. Okay, now we're gonna talk about credit, man. And me personally, man, I'm against. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm somewhat against credit cards and all that. So, I only have one credit card open right now, and I'm contemplating on closing that credit card because I don't need it, bro. You can literally get anything without credit. Anything. A house, you can get a house without credit, manual underwriting. You can get a car without credit, pay cash. You can get a lot of things without credit, bro. People, they put in people's head that you need credit in order to do certain things, bro. You don't need credit to do anything, for real. As long as you got cash, cash is king at the end of the day. Cash is king. But guys, what we gonna do? We gotta get those at-home expenses down, man. We trying to get everything done within a year. I mean, you can take longer if you need to, but we're gonna depending on how much debt you got. You might have to take longer, but we're trying to get everything taken care of within this year. So what we gonna do? We're gonna get your stuff paid off, man. We're gonna get your stuff paid off, man. So if you have any expenses at home that you don't need, we're gonna try to get rid of them within that first year. You got a car at home, that you're making payments on, you don't need that car, bro. You don't need it. There's more money coming out every single month, bro. More money coming out every single month. Every month. I had a freaking car note where I was paying $700 a month on. It was nice. It was a Challenger Scat Pack. It was a nice one. Don't get me wrong. It was nice. I love that car. I love muscle cars in general, but I didn't need that car, bro. It's $700 every single month. Think about how much money you could be saving if you wasn't spending that. I could have bought another muscle car and paid cash for it. Like, I could have did that, but me being me, I decided to go the route that everybody else go, to finance a car. I was doing something stupid. And you can pay for cash, bro. You could pay for a Challenger your first year of trucking if you really wanted it that bad. But we not saving for that. We trying to get you to $1 million, bro. We trying to make sure you got $1 million net worth, bro. We trying to make sure you retire early, or you even have a retirement. That's what we trying to get you to, man. So we're gonna get rid of all that stuff you don't need at the house, bro. This next one, if you have kids and a family at home, it's gonna be kind of different. But me being me, I'm not single. I'm tripping. I'm about to say I'm single. I'm tripping. No, I got a whole girl, but she has her own house and it's paid for. It's paid for. We don't make any payments on the house. But if you are single, if you got a girlfriend, bro, I ain't gonna say a girlfriend, because you don't want that. You don't want that. She might have something going on. But if you have a wife or something, and y'all paying rent somewhere, you don't have any kids, man, you can literally live out of the truck, bro. You might not have a home at the end of the day because you're not renting anymore, but think about it. You saving $2,000. I'm guessing most rents are like $2,000 $1 a month. I think that's on average, $2,000 a month. You saving that every single month, and you living out of the truck. So you stacking money, bro. Think about it, bro. Look. I was paying $2,000 a month for my apartment. I got rid of it. That's $2,000. And I was paying like I was saying $700 for the Challenger, but it was like $783. So I'm rounding up to $800. That's $2,800 that you save more a month because you got rid of those two things. You can get a storage. Oh, he gonna hit this guy's door if he don't watch what he's doing. He's gonna hit that door. Close your door. What is you doing? Yeah, it's crazy, man. It's crazy. But yeah, guys, we need to get rid of those all that stuff you don't need at the house. If you got a freaking storage on it, man, you get rid of all that storage stuff, man. That's what I did. Get rid of all that stuff, man. If you don't need it, we gonna get rid of it, bro. You don't need cable bills and all that stuff at the house. You don't need it, bro. It's a want more than a need. So we're gonna get rid of all that stuff at the house. We're gonna fix your credit this first year, bro. We're gonna fix your credit. If you have any obligations that you signed up for that you did not any obligations that you signed up for that you did not freaking go through with, we're gonna clear that. We need to pay them folks, bro. Pay them folks. Don't try to go the route of freaking clearing your credit, like trying to get these say the charges were not saying the collections or whatnot were not legit. Don't go that route, bro. Don't go that route. You signed up for it. You know for a fact you signed up for it, man. We need to get them folks paid off, bro. We need to get them folks paid off. And that's gonna that's gonna get your credit up there, man. Your credit gonna go to the moon with the information I'm telling you, bro. It's gonna go to the moon. So we need to get these folks paid off real soon, man. Real soon. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go get these people paid off. Pay all them collections off. If it's, I mean, you gotta think about it. If it's in the collections, I'm just saying, if it's in collections, they gonna settle for pennies on the dollar. They gonna settle for it, bro. So we need to go ahead and get these folks paid, man. Go ahead and get these folks paid. You owe $10,000, they might settle for like $2,000. So we're gonna get these folks paid within a year. You making more money, bro. You making more money. I'm trying to help y'all out, do stuff that I didn't do starting off my career in trucking, and it really messed me up. But yeah, on the financial tip, man, we got to get these stuff paid off. We got to get done with all these collections, bro. All these collections, we got to get these people paid, bro. Your first year, get them paid. Work on your student loans. If you got student loans, you shouldn't have student loans. You shouldn't have student loans. I would just say that. If you jumped in trucking, you shouldn't have student loans. But we're gonna get them folks paid off too, bro. Don't wait on the government to forgive this stuff, bro. They not gonna forgive it. They're not. So we need to get these people paid off, man. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get these people paid off. You're gonna see your credit score start to shoot up. You definitely gonna see your credit score start to shoot up, man. You get these people paid off. Yes, it takes 7 years for this stuff to get off your credit report. But the way I'm about to get y'all to $1 million, you ain't gonna need no credit report. You ain't gonna need no credit because you gonna have cash. What's better? Hey, you can have would you rather have $1 million in credit or $1 million in cash? Me personally, I'd rather have $1 million in cash, bro. Credit ain't your money at the end of the day. It just ain't your money. It's money you borrowing. You gotta pay these folks back. When you using your money, who you gotta pay back? Nobody. You just gotta make more money to put money back in there. You good, bro. You good. So I'm just trying to get y'all to that next level, bro. I gotta get y'all to this next level, man. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do, man. We're gonna pay all those collections off. And I mean, if you got great credit score, you don't have no collections or nothing, even better for you. Pay them credit cards off, get the balance off, get those cars. Well, no, don't do that yet. Don't do that yet. Don't listen to that part. I'm thinking. Cause we want to make sure we want to get you to the next level. The next level, man, of financial freedom, get you to that $1 million net worth. We're trying to get you to that next level. So we're not gonna do that. If you got a good credit score, you got credit cards open, keep them open for now. I'm not saying we're not gonna close them, but I'm saying keep them open for now. But let's see. We didn't got the people with bad credit. We got those collections. We got those paid off, and now those accounts are closed. What else we didn't got done? We didn't got. What we did collections. I'm just talking, bro. At this point, I'm trying to help as much as possible. We got collections paid off. We're getting your credit score going. Your credit score gonna go up. It might take a little while, man. Keep in mind, it might take a little while because you decided not to pay these folks off, bro. So it's gonna take a little while. You gotta pay these collections off if you got collections on your credit report, bro. That's the only way it's gonna shoot up. You can try to get them removed, which I don't recommend because it can come back. If you pay these folks off, you know you good, man. Hey, your credit score can start to rebound. And after a certain amount of years, the late payments don't even count no more. But yeah, we gonna make sure everything is good, bro. Get rid of all that stuff at home. Pay off all those collection accounts, bro. Pay off all those collection accounts. If you have a freaking a credit card, make sure you make at least the minimum payment, bro, to keep those cards open. Your credit card gonna tank, but if you have a large balance on your credit card, you're not able to pay the whole balance off. We're gonna work the snowball method. We're gonna work from we're gonna do this on the credit cards or the loan accounts or what not. We're gonna take the largest balance and we're gonna take the smallest balance. We're gonna pay the minimum on everything except for the smallest balance, and we're gonna throw as much money as we can at the smallest balance in order to get that stuff paid off as soon as possible. That's what we're gonna do in order to get you right. Now, when everything is paid off, you don't have any debt. You still got the cars open, but you don't have any debt. And your credit score should shoot up with that. Also, your credit score will shoot up with all the collections that you didn't pay, and now they're either going to come off or they're going to come they're going to mark it as closed, paid, and that should shoot your credit score up too. But guys, hey, I'm just trying to get y'all the game. Man. Trying to help y'all as much as possible, bro. This is how you gonna make your first million, bro. This is only part 2. You gotta keep going. You gotta listen to the process, bro. Listen to the process. And I promise you, we're gonna get you there. It might take a year, it might take a few years, but if you listen to me, we're gonna get you there, bro. We're gonna get you there. Do not take out and get any more credit cards right now. Listen to me. Do not get any more credit cards right now. Don't get any loans right now. Don't do any of that. I'm trying to get you there sooner than later, and you're gonna mess up everything that we're working on right now. If you decide to do that, so don't do it. I'm trying to get you the right way, not what everybody else teaching on social media and all this crap. I mean, it's gonna be a long way. It's gonna take a little while. Ain't nothing wrong with taking a little while, bro. You can't have what is it called? Instant gratification or something like that. You can't have that, bro. We're gonna take a slower route, bro. We'll take a slower route, but we're gonna get you there. Cause the fast route might not get you there. It might hurt you in the long run. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys like this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. Take me and like the video, man. Hey, keep in mind we got a giveaway going on. So go enter that giveaway. The link will be in the description. The pinned post on my Instagram, the same as my YouTube channel. It's the same name. Or you can go to the community post and you should see a link. But guys, until the next one, I'll see you. It's Dope Strings. Peace. Okay.